Ladies and gentlemen, these are Irish flag Jello shots. Bang! Now, the Irish flag is a real common shot out there, okay? But we're doing it Jello style so we can really match the colors of the flag. So we got our green Jello, our vodka. That's our first layer. So we can pour that in our shot glasses. Bang, bang. You notice how everybody's Irish on St. Patrick's Day? Okay, you all need to knock this off, okay? Put in some hot water, some gelatin, because we're going with our white one now. So we come in handy with sweetened condensed milk. Whenever you need white and Jello shots, sweetened condensed milk is always my go-to. A little bit of vodka in there. Stir. Guys, make sure that layer is properly solid at the bottom, and also that the one that you're pouring on is not hot because it can melt the layer below it, okay? So these have to be cooled before you pour them. Now we're doing an orange layer, okay? Irish flag is green, white, orange. Beautiful, okay? And there you have it, all my Irish brethren. Stay tipsy.